Trader, we have an update. SOX index daily, it's in the morning. When we broke below that blue line, that's 200 day, it tells us right there at 4761.2. And that is going to be the resistance, make or break for this market, because when we broke down below it, that was the recovery. It still continues to go. Okay, you can see the buy wicks on each one of the daily candles. That's ascending to that 200 day. You have that 10-day crossover, the other moving averages. Oh, yes, you do. So, as that rebound continues and we hit the wall of resistance, and I will draw an alert. This is live market hours. This is your time. Right there. That's the upside. If they can push it above the 200 day, that would be the resistance up there that we're looking at. Slightly above the declining 10-day crossover of the daily simple moving averages. Good luck today. Sign it up. Let's get busy.